I want to use this opportunity to say Ramadan Mubarak to my Muslim family out there. And today's video, I'm coming to teach you how to do Bofrot. I know during fasting, most of my Muslim brothers use Bofrot to break their fast with porridge. And this Bofrot is not ordinary Bofrot you see by the roadside. This Bofrot contains a lot of proteins and nutrients in the Bofrot I'm coming to show you. On my table here, you can see my ingredients on it, which is salt here, the milk is here, the yeast is here, baking powder, nut milk, and my eggs, and the bread flour itself, or pastry flour. So you can see that this Bofrot I'm coming to teach you is not the ordinary one you buy by the roadside, because you can see most of them don't add milk or egg into it. But because of the Ramadan, that's why I want to add all this in to gain the energy you have lost during the fasting time. So when you are breaking it with the Bofrot I'm coming to teach you, you really gain the lost energy you have lost during the fasting. So guys, let's get into it and get started. So this is my mixing bowl. This is my measuring cup. So I'll take my flour first to measure 1, 2, 3, 4. So it depends the quantity of Bofrot you want to make. So I'm measuring 4 cups. So now 1 teaspoon of nut milk, another teaspoon of baking powder. So I'll make the baking powder 2. The yeast, make a 1. Now when you don't put the yeast, it will make the Bofrot dry. It will not make a foam. And when you are frying Bofrot, it will be firm and loose inside. So the nut milk will also add flavor to the Bofrot, where you enjoy the taste of it. And then the baking powder, that will make it crispy and nice. So I'll add my sugar. This is a tablespoon. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my salt. So 1 teaspoon of salt. So this is my eggs, which contain the protein. So I'm going to break it. So I'll add my egg. So pour my egg with flour. Then you add my milk. I'll now add my milk to it. When you add the milk provides calcium to the body. I know during the fasting time, because of we lose so much energy, so that's why I've added the milk. Most people don't add milk and egg, so that you can really gain the energy you lost. Stir the mix it very well. So all the ingredients, add my water. You have to take the time, mix it, so that the flour will not be bubbles inside it. You know, because it's Bofrot, you have to also make sure that it's not too hard, so that you can roll it in your hand and drop it in the oil. When it's ready, you can roll it in your hand like this and drop it in the oil. It should be smooth and loose, so that you can get the correct rolling of the Bofrot. But when it's too hard, you can't drop your hand easy. So now it's ready. I have to leave it and light my oil. I'll put my oil, small quantity, so that the Bofrot will not soak the oil too much. So for you to know that the oil is hot, you just cut small flour to drop it inside and wait. When it raise up, that means your oil is ready to fry. So now the oil is ready to fry. I'll just put in some inside the oil. I need to get a golden brown color. So that's why I'm just trying to prevent it not to over too much brown. When you drop your flour inside, you have to make sure you always lower the fire so that the outer will cook and the inside will be raw. So that's why you have to always make sure that you lower your fire. So now my Bofrot is ready, and it normally goes with the cocoa. And because of the Ramadan, it's always good to take the Bofrot with cocoa to gain the lost energy you have lost during the fasting. By next video, I'll show you how to make rich Hausa cocoa, which can go with the Bofrot I've just done today. So please go and subscribe and wait for the next video. We'll be posting very soon. Thank you for watching.